Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC. So let's first open the settings application and then click here to connection and sharing. After that, tap to the NFC, and to activate it, click on the ones on the switcher. Here, if you want, you can also switch the payment method. We can also here see the tutorial. I just have only one payment application, so I can switch it. To turn off the NFC, you just click here once again on the switcher, and also have the second way how we can do that. Just first here find notification panel, and on the top bar find the NFC icon. In my case it's here, so click once on the icon to activate NFC, and to turn it off click on the icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.